my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I, Ahmad, stand here today to shed light on the founding father of Pakistan, Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Jinnah was a man of principles and a visionary leader. He believed that the Muslims of the subcontinent should have their own state, where they can live in peace and practice Islam without any fear. He stood for justice, freedom, and equal rights of Muslims. On 23rd March 1940, Azam addressed a large gathering of Muslims in Mantu Park, Lahore, and presented the idea of a separate homeland, Pakistan. The crowd cheered, Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. Leke rahenge Pakistan, ban ke rahega Pakistan. It was due to Quaid's hard work, dedication, and long struggle that Pakistan came into being on the 14th of August 1947. He is the father of nations, the founder of Pakistan, and his life is a beacon of hope and resilience to us. I will end my speech with these good